If you're into juicing, you already know that cold-pressed juicers are a total game changer. They're not just about squeezing fruits and veggies. They're about preserving nutrients, enhancing flavor, and giving you that smooth, pulp-controlled, high-yield juice that's way better than anything a centrifugal model can churn out. Whether you're going for green juice in the morning, celery shots post-workout, or just trying to sneak in more vegetables without actually eating them, the right cold-pressed juicer makes a huge difference. All the product links are in the video description, so if anything catches your eye, go check it out. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Ianoruous cold press juicer. This one hits that sweet spot between performance and practicality. It's equipped with a powerful 400-watt motor and a wide 5.8-inch feed chute, which means less prep work slicing up your produce. I have to say, the engineering on this model is impressive for the price point. It uses a slow masticating process to retain nutrients and keep oxidation to a minimum. The 7-stage spiral auger helps extract more juice from greens and fruits alike. One thing to note, while it handles soft and hard produce well, there have been occasional mentions of leakage at the pulp separator. It's also a bit bulkier than more compact models, so make sure you've got the counter space. But overall, this is an excellent option for beginners or anyone who juices daily and wants reliable performance without breaking the bank. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more compact but still feature-rich, the Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer JC151 is a solid contender. This model is all about convenience and customization. It's a horizontal masticator with 2 pulp control filters, so you can choose between low and high pulp depending on your taste. What really stands out here is Ninja's NeverClog technology. It keeps things moving smoothly even with fibrous greens. The 150-watt motor is quiet but effective, especially for softer produce. Cleanup is also a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. That said, the narrow chute does mean you'll be chopping your apples and carrots into smaller pieces. And while it's not ideal for dense roots like beets, it does shine when juicing spinach, kale, or celery. Unlike the Ianoruous, it trades chute size for versatility and a quieter motor. Plus, it won't scare the dog every time you turn it on. Moving on to the Tumist cold press juicer, this one falls right between the Ianoruous and Ninja in terms of design and functionality. It features a 5.3-inch feed chute, which is just a bit narrower than the Ianoruous but still large enough to minimize prep work. It's BPA-free, easy to clean, and provides a surprisingly high juice yield. If you're someone who wants a no-fuss juicer that won't dominate your kitchen counter, Tumist might be what you're after. The main drawback here is build quality. While it performs well, it doesn't feel quite as sturdy as some of the other models. Also, the pulp container tends to fill up quickly if you're juicing in bulk, which means a few extra trips to the trash. But for everyday use, especially if you're not doing gallons of juice at a time, it's a great option. Compared to Ianoruous, it's a little more compact and user-friendly, though maybe not as durable long-term. Speaking of premium performance, let's talk about the Nama J2 cold press juicer. This is hands down the most advanced model on the list, and it's geared towards serious juice lovers. The self-feeding hopper alone sets it apart. You can load entire recipes into it, close the lid, and walk away. Imagine tossing in whole carrots, apples, spinach, and ginger, then going to prep your breakfast while it does its thing. This hands-free design is incredible if you juice regularly or in large batches. The juice quality is top-notch. Less pulp, more juice, and almost zero oxidation. It's also super intuitive to assemble and clean, which is often where these premium models stumble. On the flip side, it's pricey and a bit louder than others on the list, so if you're only juicing occasionally, it might be overkill. But if juicing is a part of your daily routine and you're tired of babysitting your machine, the Nama J2 is worth every penny. You won't win any silent appliance awards with this one, but you'll get the best tasting juice on the block. If you're looking for something with similar specs to the Ianoruous but haven't quite committed to that brand, the Wipone cold press juicer deserves a look. It also boasts a 400-watt motor and a wide 5.8-inch chute, making it excellent for batch juicing. This is a model designed with volume in mind, great for prepping multiple servings in one go. Now, while it performs well in early use, it doesn't have the track record or broad customer base of some of the others. Durability is a bit of a question mark here. Still, for someone looking to try out cold press juicing without investing in a high-end unit, Wipone gives you serious horsepower and features at an entry-level price. Think of it as the test drive before committing to a pricier model like the Nama or Ninja. Next up is the Elite Gourmet EJX 600 Compact Slow Juicer. This one is all about saving space without sacrificing too much functionality. The compact design is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or anyone who doesn't want their juicer taking over the countertop. It includes BPA-free Triton parts and a 16-ounce juice cup, which is fine for single servings. The motor isn't as powerful as some of the others, but it's adequate for soft fruits and veggies. If you're juicing carrots and beets daily, you might find it a bit underpowered. What stands out most about this design is how simple it is to use and clean. Seriously, if you're new to juicing and overwhelmed by bulky machines with tons of parts, this is a great starting point. It's kind of like the training wheels of the cold press world. Small, simple, and gets the job done. And rounding out the list is the AMZ CHEF cold press juicer. This one tries to hit a middle ground between power and practicality. It has a 5.4-inch wide feed chute, a durable stainless steel auger, and dual strainers that give you some flexibility in how fine or pulpy you want your juice. Cleanup is easy and the design is intuitive. Picture prepping a post-gym juice with kale, cucumber, and apple, all loaded in fast, cleaned in minutes, and ready before your protein shake finishes blending. It's a solid, well-rounded performer. That said, it does resemble a lot of other mid-range juicers and doesn't have any standout features that separate it from the crowd. Also, noise and yield data are not super well documented, so you're trusting the specs a bit more than real-world testing. Compared to the Elite Gourmet, it gives you more juice power and a bit more build heft, but takes up more space in return. So let's wrap this up with some quick guidance on which juicer might be right for you. If you're outfitting a kitchen for serious juicing and want the best of the best, the Nama J2 is a standout with its self-feeding design and exceptional yield. For most people though, the Ninja NeverClog JC151 strikes the best balance between power, features, and ease of use. Plus, it's quiet and easy to clean, which matters more than you might think. If you're focused on minimizing prep time, both the Ianoruous and Tumist offer wide chutes and solid performance at a great value. On the compact and budget-friendly side, the Elite Gourmet EJX600 is ideal for beginners or anyone working with tight space, while the AMZ CHEF adds a bit more oomph for those who want a more durable mid-tier option. And if you're planning to juice in batches, the Wipone gives you commercial-level specs without the price tag. Just be mindful of long-term durability. If I could only keep one, it'd be the Ninja. Just the right blend of smart design and everyday usability without the premium price tag. Don't forget, all the links to these juicers are in the description below. If you found this roundup helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.